Utie Oha Extreme Ponkno Needs FM.
Ora Solomon Osu ya mwaha.
Yenua ofa.
Na eye Denver, Colorado. Weather no kra etesen ho.
Weather no dey enye small. Me no ka say anopa 6:30 wa na ye me fie nyina ya so heater be dia won anya asemketu akra.
Yo, say bia mo ho the cost of heating no nsheda ebo ani. Na mate say da bre enkrafo Gandangbe community e Denver, Colorado. O manya yie. Kwa na ewu.
Oh, ofa asemkese ato. Ghana fo nyina enye Adangwe community nko. The Oshe Denver enye Denver for Colorado nyina ye wo Ghana Adangwe association, ye wo Asante association, ye wo Ewe association, ye wo Frontier association, and ye wo Ghana Council of Elders and so ha, and ye wo Ghana Association of Colorado. Na so Oshe apeya ebi wada ne nsabon kumso a ye kope no krabre Saturday a ebe ya ono ne ga mante ganjene a ye friend na amate na nyina di friend na ne din akasa de Mr. Harrison Koku Amate we o kan tini bu December no 77 years a papa no oyo nipa bi a obienu a wabɔ ne timpɔne ewo krom hata wabuo nipa yenua no mo ba ya o mo krata asema ye den ye se papa itumi wurewurem yetumi ti obi kwa na ye de ne kɔ Ghana no wurem a no akɔgi nipa no na ɔde na ba papa na boa na onim de ete ne sɛ me ankasa de papa no minim no na emu sɛ wo hwɛ ebusuan panyin e wa ye fɛ no Mr. Apicolo ne nickname de Mr. Apicolo oye ni monyamfo kɛseɛ paa ɛwɔ Denver, Colorado ha ɔno na ye mi nipa wɔde dwumadie sunku bi asɛm nsa sɛ ahɔhoɔ a ɛfiri Ghana ɛreba ahɔhoɔ a ɛfiri Europe ɛne other countries nyinaa ne even United States 50 states no Gadangfoɔ ɛne adɔfoɔ a every different states bɛ nyinaa no memoa no planning strategic planning ne organizing of kwan a yɛde wɔn bɛfa so ne adeɛ a meboa papa no eti ɛno na ama mede nam so ama yɛ very busy ama sisi ye nyina no obi ani mrekra na emom na Mr. Dakabre so interview me from Ghana dia na meni ano na o said de me ye bia me jai to ho na me no twetwe komenti aha de ade apeni na ma pato wo na ma me faso kase ye be na yi no e wo Horan and Makonati e wo Aurora e wo Denver Kuma Colorado ha e wona ye be ye ni viewing ene na wufuso yevia na yakwa na yi na nkasa eye Saturday anadwo 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. anadwo no ewo SDA Tech ewo Colorado ha eno ne ade ba kwa metumi aka e dia fa ofa
Ede yamamu nyina mo yakọ nti mu nyina mo ye Ghana fo mu nyina mo nkọta akire na mo nyama ne nyefe right na ene
me asantini 100% nanso ade na aba na ye Ghana nyina nye asantini nye Ghana nti no sene o kan pepepe ye nyina ye de ho adwuma ye boa
na die ne pusu wa Ghana mampanyini akasa akire mu ye nyina ye nim se nsuo ete nsuo ni ete na timi twa ticket free Denver, Colorado bes ne ko gina Pristia ekoko gina Ankobia River so ka akire wiase nyina se Ankobra no se nimu se dikadika
yo medasi ofa die tie ne se ewiase no kure eye ba kopɛ na president membremu president da because me himself president Kufuor nia mpanyimfo interministerial mpanyimfo edeto nanim no eno so na ogina so ekɔ South Africa in mining and there by ye ewiase mining conference akɛseɛ pa CEO director mining executives nyina kɔ no ɛhɔ na ɔmo invite president a special guest speaker a ɔkɔ address ye yi hɔ a ɔno di ko gyina so sɛ Ankobra no fish nyina ne nemani ate fish ne nemu mpata adwene wuri ko bi nyina ne nam nsuo ni mu a ani ate me so nim sɛ nyɛ no kra because me I do come to Ghana a lot. That 2018 no me be 3 months for Ghana ana ka me ko yɛ nhwehwɛmu ɛwɔ Galamsey no ɛyɛ honorable Peter Mewu ɛyɛ Lands and Natural Resource Minister by then, Cabinet Minister, on the G2 me am de mani ko hu an cobra eni airport nti mining in Durban no so nka me kobi na no ma bi nti na mbi dae na no ma bi bom na o se me ye dwuma bi a na ye nya results ni dae enti wo hwe so mining in Durban no mine simpanyimfo wo Ghana bebre wa me hu omo ti bi so because me minimum panyimfo a no mo nyina to mo nim sa asema president kan nya no kram se asem we me manenda enti na me sa wo business meeting me president ko kan no e be February and na March ending the business meeting ewo Ghana and I'm say kai me fa so no mako kanso no amobi amobi eno nti na ma me call ye but before then no me were informant ewo all the mining areas of mama information it be the can be some say na say na so na ni after face no mo say masa the asma president ko kan wo go to na me so one thing say ansa na me ba boncha ka bibi no na me nim die meka na me say mu de mo twan bi twa plane ticket yi ko Ghana na me say ne me tu ka ko fisia ekotwa man say nyina ti bi say asema president ko kan South Africa wo bue nyanyi mo ase enya no kre
nti edi nti na wo se yenyi Professor Frimpong Boateng edi
oh minia se wo hwe ne a ekosia any serious country e wo asasi we so e planet Earth obi control say asem we
hello Solo say Solomon Osu line no you better raise in the back country na me do what see on yenyi Kwabena Frimpong Boateng edi to aye den ya wu tapo so no edi edi na ma me afie ma ba Kwabena Frimpong Boateng yenyi na die
oh hello
Soloti yankan
yeah fede metimonka
right adenti na watimi ayi obi agina nchen na wo se president onyi Kwabena Frimpong Boateng edi aden
oh ofa adakabre na se we die ni so obi akatre o sabi o ye di dwumadie ahye wo nsa dwumadie kese se ya president so wo behwa before election no okan ye se galamsey no obe sanitize efese galamsey ni o ye de akofra no ma no o swai 7 January 2017 so okan say obe make sure say ya sanitize no and no answer ka so put the presidency on the line so that's solve that problem it ya dia galamsey say e papa na kuma so fa so mo be sha Mr. Peter Mewu land and natural resource minister and started galamsey in March 2017 and we ko ho to pa ko fo on the no ko fo nyina ne ade ko say friends Minerals Commission ni bi kura o district bi a na yesi kwakọ wi apetition ni ade nyina ye nyina TV enti president ehun se no ntokwa no be bi ekọ also oputi more effort no and o take interministerial committee on illegal mining and o dey Professor Frimpong Boateng our environment minister chairman di bia se ne sa na o di bia se ne sa wie no information na bikuta XFA from reliable source XFA even Mr. Amewu and his team handed over about 525 excavators. Ghana for 19 years. About 525 excavators to Professor Frimpong Boateng. Between March and June, 3 months no, yati excavators makuma for 525. Next to be social, near making sure say a sanitary system. Minya, na say yati 525 amount. Now say one so what to be at over 500 and yet more than 1,000. 3 years in you. Again, so the be even when there was a ban, you are still trying of what Ghana for. You be trying of for creation or more. Nothing you know. When you some people be on the country Ghana after Ghana Water Company, I realize this say. Yen Sony and Sassone say Yen Sona president edit the presidency as supposed to say Obebon Sono by an affair I think am afraid in Sono Crown almost mean Yamani pen no man almost threatened almost started almost just receive down. Am I able to so for Takota? Not journalist A. Bissau say Prof. Again Abantia water company anyway ba wo say excavators no over 500 no one in seven no now say 500 Peter Mewudi ma on 525 over so what is the anti Peter no crop boy cry wrong empty na small scale mining secretary Kumasi Asante region eba bontimeka say if you figure na for Supreme Court what thing a boy in plan wrong figure na what two foot e dey buga na poli and you didn't throw one we can trust the president in Sunania state my face in them and cobra and two or see excavators enyan taban Ghana and Kwado whole world Ghana and Kwana excavators enyan taban it with two abra yan party yan yesi and you know and through me anywhere what you know any biota project my understand and start when you know I was say a pam no yes a pam keke chrono sama apostle excavators ayira light vehicles almost easier ayira gold almost what say ye hu baby a gold nafa the community free time of one Ghana for ye hu baby afa gold concentrate almost say almost corner ne me wo video Professor Prempon what say bado do Prempon what me can am Ghana for next ni pain obi also open on me challenge me I'll produce a video on nani gold at say gold bars are upon nani ni nyina no me wo videos for
okay Soloi we are always on the lookout for libel and the video now you're ready in the crowd there we will deal with it but say those guys this year and to send the banians can then we would have a basis but for now dear until say we can independently verify and substantiate it why it means you
okay me dey no ten my main stress in 2018 Ghana for 19 years there was a ban of a so many ban was ban no December 14 2018 meboa and the whole 2018 there was a ban Bloomberg report so any fake report Bloomberg report expressed 2018 Ghana export to gold from the small scale mining sector over 2 million ounces of gold the figure put over 2.6 billion United States dollars me pacho the also me fair non ta me questions ni mun ko bisa Professor Prempon what me pacho why mun export to gold no because there was a ban why mun produce gold no because there was a ban which body and as gold ne fire because there was a banner with the gold came out was say you be say gold unya no hen which country and ye gold ne koye which country and a receive ye one all those countries some receive gold no me pacho mun ko bi sa Professor Prempon what man and non tonten and non tonten the mobile me ami nua pani kere Japan a wo interview ni tie pa airbus no em so wo tie me na won tie ni yi okodi di matema interview wanya ne fast no won tie ni yi bra pani kere Japan ba bonten last week ebe can say Mr. Yawosafuma for your senior minister dey me ko bi sa no question in Washington DC answer one na ototo papa so a ebe ye topic e wo Ghana senior minister e ko Dubai. And so do Dubai no move on a senior minister, third in command. And no more watching for Nanye and no Sapunie. Hey, senior near Yadagana Fuaste, Wapadia, Ya Pronto. Now, Ghana, my boy, must send the gold over something billion. Yes, some more billions of gold, you know. Not Mr. Safuma, not the Nim HSC. As some when Yamana make home. One of the Japan Okano, ne Onoani TV so, ne 2 TV, Miss Ross Asama make a boa, Mumbi Ponsan, and Mumbi San, Sasma make a boa, me in life, my monitor from day one into one starting of Amenda, with the Majuma, Ekamo, with the Madusian, with the consulting, the Pia Menda, may monitor Munti, the Omo can be a meteor, Paombra, and Timber challenges as Mamma and the Ukraine semi boa. And that should tell you, say, no prejudice and for so, I will say, the man has mismanaged the small scale mining sector in Ghana and he has disgraced the president. Now, President, I feel I made bad the NTM, you know. But also, Mr. Boache Jackson, energy minister. President cancer were you because we are misleading me boy. Misleading by and attend the Professor Pimpon what you would turn trust fish and amusement. You soon near so we turn trust excavators, women, other excavators are canon. We are talking about over $500,000 Bakubia. And to put multiply 500 over there, you 1,000 calculation information on the Kutano Grand Prix. Here for 500 we are talking about over 250 million United States dollars, which is over 1.3 billion Ghana cedis. Any gold that almost over 2.6 billion dollars in this African in Nadano or Setana. More papa the president and unity. Our prosecution and me next trip for me back Ghana. I will go to court and sue this man because many of the Ghana it's not about Canada, it's about the future of the people of Ghana. This year, you are 41 years old. In the next 10, 15, 20, 50 years, your money and another ebe boy and some say, when a mama or minority, a mabuna by me, some Mabubian say, a mamus for me, Yadimi Kosi at the airport.
Okay.
And so still me say, let's fight it. Mining is my area of expertise. I will fight and make sure the truth is prevailed. And then no turn down. It's Mumbisa Prayer, Mr. Kennedy Japan say, time I may fight, no, see me for school fees now from another so fear about a kind of friend. Then of course I am from Mumbisa Mami.
Right. Solo, yes, you was a part.
Would ye or ha extra punk no? Needs FM.